Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page on WordPress website. So firstly, log in your WordPress dashboard, then click on dashboard. Then hover cursor to this plus icon, new. Then in here select page. Now to add a new page, type your page title here. Now here type your content. If you want to add any image, so click on insert. So you can add any image, mp3, and also there are some more options. So it's quick and easy way to add a page in WordPress website. Just you need to log in your WordPress, then hover cursor to new, and then select page. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this simple and basic method we can know how to add a page on WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video.